Most of you probably have not paid attention to this before, but for a lever handle that has a curved shape, the correct way to install that kind of lever handle is to have the curve of the lever point downward at the end. It doesn't matter what brand it is or what kind of design it has. The curvature points down at the very end. Now I'm going to install these privacy lever handles on my bathroom door. When I position the lever handle so that it curves down, there's a problem. The locking button is on the outside. This button needs to be on the inside so that you can lock people out. When I move the side with the locking button to the inside of the bathroom and make sure that the curve of the lever ends downward, the lever is positioned in the wrong direction. Instead of being right-handed, it is now left-handed, so you can't close the door. If I turn it so that the lever is right-handed, the curve is pointing up. For Schlage brand lever handles, this is really simple to fix. All you need is a thin metal rod. I just use a super skinny hex wrench. You're going to stick it into this tiny hole and push in, and that will release the handle so that you can pull it out. And then you just switch the handles when you put them back on. So the handle that was on the outside should be put back on the inside and vice versa. See this ridge? That should be aligned to fit into this groove. Then you just push it back into place. Again, here's the groove, so align the handle so that the ridge goes into it. The handles do not need to be disassembled for you to be able to switch their direction. Just locate the small hole and push in with a metal rod that's thin enough to fit inside the hole so that you can take it off. I didn't make any kind of a switch here, but let's say you've done that. Then you would put the handle back on by making sure that this ridge is aligned with this groove.